Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming your Apple ID and a working connection. Sign into Settings Messages, then tap Send and Receive to check your Apple ID. This authorizes iMessage. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular data is active because iMessage needs internet to register. Also, verify date and time are automatic, and iOS has the latest update. Mismatched time or outdated software often blocks service. This combination gets you past the most common initial roadblocks quickly. Next, force iMessage to re-register with Apple's servers. Turn iMessage off, count to 10, and turn it back on. This prompts a fresh registration attempt. If that fails, restart your iPhone to clear network stacks and cached auth tokens. After reboot, open Messages, send and receive and confirm your phone number and email addresses are selected. This ensures messages route correctly. Then check text message forwarding or messages in iCloud settings to complete the sync across devices. Finally, handle stubborn problems by involving your carrier and Apple. If iMessage shows waiting for activation or errors, confirm your carrier allows SMS for activation and that your plan supports it. Activation uses an SMS charge. If carrier is fine, sign out of your Apple ID, reboot, sign back in, and as a last resort reset network settings to restore defaults. If none of this works, contact Apple support and provide your device serial, Apple ID, and error messages so they can trace registration logs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.